Hi everyone, thanks so much for deciding to watch my video today. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. We're going to get right into today's video, and today's video is a box from Walmart, and this is the trendsetter box for, I believe this is winter 2018. They are a little bit behind in getting their boxes out. They always send cards, which gives you a little hint as to what is in the box. So they always give you little information cards. But the first product that is in the trendsetter box, and this is also in the classic box for the winter, and this is Curel Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer, and this is a decent size product to get. This is new to this box, and this is from Pantene. This is the Intense Rescue Shots, and this is an ampule. And this is treatment, targets extreme damage, helps prevent split ends. So that's, I'm not a big fan of Pantene, but I don't have split ends. I have pretty good hair, but I will try it. I mean, and it's good till 2021, so that's good. It's not something that's going to expire too soon. Let me open this and see what size the... Okay, so this is the size of the product, so that's not a bad... if you're just doing it on your ends, I would assume you could get a few uses out of that. And we received this in the classic box also, and this is from Olay, and this is their Daily Facial Hydrating Clean Grapeseed Extract, and this is one dry cloth. You just, wet it with your, just add water to clean your face, so that's always nice to have. We did get a mask in the classic, so we got another mask in this one, and this one's a little different. This is from a company, So AE, and they are from New York, and this is the Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask. Oh, they're always fun, and this is to detox and to brighten. It has a unicorn on it, so this says Unicorn Glow Holographic Mask. Well, that would be exciting. Oh, it has, you can see the different colors. Oh, that's kind of neat. I had one holographic mask that I had received for free from Bliss, and you had to post pictures of it, and that was so cool. And this is from Neutrogena, and this is their Collagen Kiss. So this is a lip mask, and it is, from the feel of it, shaped like lips. So this is the Neutrogena Kiss. And I don't know about anybody else, but I'm tired of getting these in my boxes. This is from Garnier, and I love Garnier, but I'm just tired of getting these. I have used them, and they are very nice. And my sister does use this for her shampoo and conditioner, so maybe I'll give these to her. And this is the Whole Blends Oat Delicacy. Soothes, hydrates, and protects. Okay, so this is just a single wash and a single conditioner. You can't get more than one use out of it. And then Walmart is starting something new. They are enclosing makeup bags with their logo. And it's just, a nice black interior, nice little tassel pull, strong zipper. I mean, they didn't cheap out on the zipper. So you get a nice little makeup bag, the product from Pantene, the product from Curel, and then we have the unicorn mask, and then the product from Olay, the Neutrogena collagen. Oh, and then the other product. So we get more. Oh, this is the only product from Olay. And this is the facial, the dry cloth to clean your skin. Plus, then you get your free, your informational cards. So this would be good for this, to read this exactly what it does and the steps, to how to use it and stuff like that. These other ones I don't generally, do anything with. So that is my video for today, and this is the Walmart Trendsetter box for the winter of 2018. Remember to like this video, share with all your friends, leave me a comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Subscribing is free for you and means the world to me. Thanks so much for watching today, and have a great day. Bye.